I tried a hike this morning, a social distancing hike with my friends Risa and Emily.
Welcome to Wake Up with the Triple Threat.
One thing. The trail led to basically nowhere as far as we're concerned, and it was very disappointing for me. So I'm gonna go try and seek out a new one, see what we can find in Connecticut. So hopefully All Trails does me well today. I found a place called Jafrida Park. I'm driving there right now. It looks like a good hike. Okay, so judging from this map, it's almost a 5-mile hike, but you basically don't peak until right there, which is the start of the hike, but you go all the way around the water, which I'm sure is different levels of hiking, and then you peak and end up back where we started down there. We're going 10 top. It's also UV of 5, so maybe I'll get a 10. It's a little creepy when you're alone in the woods and all of these rocks have eyes on them. I decided to do something crazy and look at a map. Should not have followed the blue all the way into the woods because it's just a trail, no hiking. So I'm going back, hopefully to the bridge, so I can reevaluate what I did. I found the bridge. Today, 2 people asked me if I went to Krew College, and one of them grew up right in Canton, so it was really cool to meet people on your hikes that are from your own stomping ground. Finally finished that hike. It was awesome. It was awesome besides the part of me getting lost, but that was my fault.